We're at the doctor's office.
I see many people here.
Toby has an appointment today.
I am waiting for the doctor.
The doctor is very kind.
I see a poster of a heart. Wash your hands to stay clean.
Toby, please come inside.
This hallway is very long. The room is very bright.
Hello, Toby. How are you? I want to hear your heart.
Is that too cold, doctor?
Yes, it is a little cold.
Thump, thump, it is very fast.
Your ears look very good. Now you need a small shot.
No, I do not want it. I want to go home now. Please do not give me a shot.
Toby, come back here, please.
It will hurt my arm.
I will wait for you, Toby.
I am very scared of needles.
I know you're scared.
I feel very small and afraid. I feel like I want to cry.
It is okay to feel afraid.
Do you want to hurt me?
No, I want to help you.
I feel like a baby.
You are not a baby, Toby.
I feel better in Mom's arms.
I have a lion sticker for you.
Lions are very brave and strong. I want to be brave too.
Listen to me, Toby. Medicine keeps you healthy. Rule 1. Stay very still. Rule 2. Take a deep breath.
Will it be very fast?
It is fast, like a pinch.
I will hold your hand, Toby.
Do not move your arm.
I will try to stay still. I will look at the wall. I want to be brave too.
You are doing a great job.
I am ready for the shot.
1, 2, and finished.
I was very silly to hide.
That is okay. Everyone gets scared.
It did not hurt very much. I stayed very still, Mom.
I am so happy you listened.
I am sorry for being noisy.
You are a brave lion, Toby.
I will be brave next time.
Toby is a very healthy boy.
I feel much better now. The shot is over. I did it. Do not be scared. It is fast.
Thank you, doctor. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you for the lion. Can we go to the park now?
Yes. You were very brave.
I am strong like a lion. I feel very happy and proud.
Healthy boys have more fun.
I am not afraid of shots. The doctor is a good helper. Everything is okay today, Mom.
I am very proud of you.
I am a brave, healthy boy. Let's play together, Mom.
Great job. You finished the story of Toby at the doctor's office. Now, let's look at our new vocabulary. Places and things. Office. The place where the doctor works. Example. The doctor is in the office. Stethoscope. A tool to hear your heart. Example. The doctor uses a stethoscope. Sticker. A small, sticky picture. Example. The doctor gives me a sticker. Shot. Medicine given with a needle. Example. I get a shot today. Actions. Brave. Doing something even if you are scared. Example. I am brave at the doctor. Stay still. To not move your body. Example. I stay still for the shot. Hide. To go where people cannot see you. Example. I hide behind the chair. Listen. To hear and follow the rules. Example. I listen to the doctor. Emotions. Afraid. Feeling scared of something. Example. I feel afraid of the shot. Healthy. Feeling good and strong in your body. Example. I feel healthy now. Proud. Feeling happy about a good job. Example. I feel proud of myself. You are a wonderful student. Practice these words every day, and I will see you in the next day one story. Goodbye.